There are two types of global filters available for dashboards. The first are the time period and the time grain. For example, I might decide that I want this dashboard to be filtered on the last 90 days. Once I choose a time frame, I can then assign the specific tiles to apply the filter to. By default, all tiles will have this filter applied. However, I may decide that I only want to apply it to the first 3 tiles. You can also choose a time grain and display the data daily, weekly, monthly, etc. The second type of filter you can apply are global filters based on the underlying data columns. Once in edit mode, click on the plus sign to add a filter, then choose the appropriate column. In this case, I'm going to filter on product type. Based on the underlying data type, you'll see different filtering options. As this is a character string, I'm seeing values such as equal to, not equal to, contains, etc. Character strings will be pre-populated, and I can choose by default that I want to filter on face. Once I click out of that, I have to save the edits, and I can now refresh the dashboard and that filter will be applied. By default, the filter is applied to all the tiles in the dashboard. If I want to make an update to that, I can go back into edit mode, click on the filter, and then decide which specific tiles to apply it to. So again, I may only want to apply this filter to specific tiles. Make sure that you're choosing the appropriate column for that tile for that filter value to be applied. Once you've made your changes, again, make sure to save your edits and refresh the dashboard to see the changes. By default, any filter values that are saved will be surfaced when the dashboard is loaded. However, the user will have the ability to override those values at runtime. One thing to note is that the filter values may conflict with any saved filter values for specific tiles. You may need to go in and edit the tiles to remove any filters to avoid conflicts.